Hey woodworkers, what's going on? So different kind of video today. Today we're just going to go over a channel update, some really exciting news. I think last week we hit 500 subscribers and today we're at 518. So with that comes some awesome new features to the channel that I'm going to go over today. And I just wanted to let you guys know we're going to be a little slow on videos over the next 2 weeks. I'm about to go on vacation, and while I was making my latest video for you guys, got about 80% of the way through, and then my planer belt broke. Pretty unfortunate. Took a lot of time to diagnose and figure out what was going on, but I got a new belt on the way, so we'll get that video out here shortly. But I've been cranking out cutting boards and got some exciting content for you guys. But back to 500 subscribers. So I'm so excited about this. It's just a huge milestone, and it's all because of you guys and the awesome support you guys show to my channel. So with 500 subscribers, I'm able to include memberships to my channel, as well as super likes, super thanks, things like that. So I want to go over me offering that feature of membership to the channel. So if you go onto my channel, you'll see this page, which has the join button. So now you can see the join button on my homepage and then all of my videos as well. So if you click that join button, it'll prompt you to subscribe to the channel at an additional cost to join the Walnut Woodworkers Membership Club. So first things first, guys, this is completely optional. And while it does grant you some access and special exclusive perks to the channel, nothing's going to change. With or without the membership, you'll still get the same content from 5 o'clock Woodshop. This just gives you some additional perks like access to videos earlier. I'll usually publish the videos to my members one day earlier. It'll give you special comments, special emotes, I think, like emojis in the comments to use that I've gone ahead, done some custom emojis and uploaded those. It'll also give you access to membership badges. So I'm super excited about the membership badges because I think it's a really cool way to outwardly show your support to the channel. So here we go. We've got my membership badges, again, custom created as part of the Walnut Woodworkers Club. So each level has a different version of this walnut insignia. So you see we go from new member to 1 month to 2 months, 6 months, all the way up to having been a member for 12 months, which is just huge. Some of you guys have been here since the very beginning of 5 o'clock Woodshop in May of 2023. And that's so exciting to me. And I appreciate that support more than you could ever know. And so this is just an additional way to show support if you have the means and would like to support the channel with that source of revenue. So just to reassure everybody, again, no change. All the access will stay the same, just with aside to those few benefits that you'll get with being a member. But like I said, it's just another way to support the channel, and all the revenue earned through these functions, these features, will go right back into the woodshop. We're going to use them for exciting new projects, new tools to upgrade the woodshop, things like that. Part of our giveaways, once I can figure that out with just the policy on YouTube for giveaways, still looking to do that 500 subscriber giveaway, so stay tuned. But again, the membership feature is just an awesome way for you guys to show support, again, if you have the means and would like to. It would mean so much to me. One of the new exciting features that I'm excited to bring to the channel, if I could say excited one more time, is a way to get you guys involved in the channel a little bit more through that membership function and have you guys take some ownership over the videos, content we're putting out, as well as the projects. So you'll see some polls coming out with the ability to vote on featured thumbnails for our new content, as well as, some of the design aspects of the projects that we're going forward with. So that'll be really exciting to get the members' input to the channel and the projects that we're doing. So again, if you can support, it would be awesome. It would really mean a lot to me, and I'm excited to grow this community. Whether or not you're a member, whether or not you're subscribed, if you're here, you're learning something, you're engaged, and I always appreciate that. So just a huge achievement for us as 5 o'clock Woodshop to reach 500 subscribers. I'm so thankful for it. You guys have been just an awesome community, asking questions, giving great advice, helping each other out, and that's really what I wanted to do when I started this channel, just create a community and foster a climate where amateur woodworkers, people that aren't professionals that are doing this after 5 o'clock, right, could come together and learn from each other and share our ideas and grow together. And that's what I feel like we've done. and the community that we fostered. So again, all thanks to you guys. The support is just unreal. I'm happy to bring these features to you guys. And so if you want to, go ahead and click that join button, show that support, get those membership badges to show everybody how long you've been a supporter of 5 o'clock Woodshop. And in the future, we'll have even more things coming out, right? So just stay tuned. So excited to be here and continue to grow with you guys. And again, thanks for all the content support. I'm the one putting out the content. But hopefully we get back on track here pretty soon. You see I've got cutting board blanks cut out behind me for 2 new cutting boards. The planer belt is on its way. I'm ready to get that fixed. But as you can imagine, it's a pretty critical tool for making cutting boards. And a little sneak peek here at my next video. It's going to be an 8-step guide to making your first edge grain butcher block style cutting board. It'll be a short video, really concise, just give you all the tips and tricks to make an edge grain cutting board for yourself in that butcher block style. This has been 5 o'clock Woodshop, guys. Again, thank you.